ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
I cordially welcome all students to this E-Samvida Kalike 5th Standard English subject. How are you all students? I hope that you are all fine. Now let us begin the class. Be ready with your pen, textbook and notebook. Dear students, today we are going to know about the poem My Land. This one written by Thomas Davis. Before going to know the poem, I would like to ask some questions. Dear students, the natives of India are called as Indies, Indians, Hindus, Indus. What is the correct answer, dear students? As very good students, how brilliant you are. The correct answer is Indians. Next, move to the next question. The natives of Japan are called as Japonian, Japanese, Japans, Japuns. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Japanese. Very good students. Now move to the next question. The natives of Germany are called as Germanies, Germans, Germanians, German. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is very good students, the Germans. Then move to the next question. The natives of Ireland are called as Irelandese, Irelandians, Irelands, Irish. What is the correct answer? No, the Irelandese is wrong. Yes, very good students. The Irish is the correct answer. Dear students, now you look at this picture. What you see in this picture? You have to observe in this picture. Yes, the soldiers. Here the soldiers caretake of his people, and the one soldier sacrificed his life. His wife became widow, and here several soldiers, they are watching the border. Very good students. Are you able to give one suitable title to this picture? Soldiers, very good. The great India, very good. Brave soldiers, very good. Dear students, now we are going to know about the poem. This poem, My Land, was written by the Thomas Davis. The Thomas Davis, he belonged to the country Ireland, so he is called as Irish. He wrote about his land in this poem, My Land. Now, I go to sing this poem. You listen carefully. She is a rich and rare land. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. She is the dear and rare land. This native land of mine. No men thence are braver, or women's ought never waver. I would freely die to save her, and think my Lord divine. She is not a dull or cold land, no, she is a warm and bold land. Oh, she is a true and cold land, this native land of mine, this native land of mine. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land, oh, she is a true and rare land. Yes, she is a rare and fair land, this native land of mine. Are you enjoy this song, my students? Yes, very good. Let's know the new words. Dear students, the rare means uncommon, fair means beautiful, vava, hesitate, native land, land of one's birth, lot, one's fortune, divine, godlike, bold, courageous. Next, note the poem. Dear students, she is a rich and a rare land. Here, the poet Thomas Davis compared his land to the woman, hence is here the pronoun she is used. She means his native land. His native land is a rich and rare. Rich means rich and rare means uncommon land. Oh, she is a fresh. She is a fresh and fair land means beautiful land. You have to observe the first picture. In that picture, the Ireland is a beautiful land, and also the India is our land. It's also very beautiful, and she is a dear and rare land. She is a dear to us, and rare means uncommon land. This native land of mine, this beautiful land, this rich land, this fair land, this fresh land, this land is mine. It's my native land. No man than Ursa braver, or woman's art never waver. I would freely die to save her and think my lot divine. Dear students, no man than us are braver. It means that all the men of the country are braver, are courageous, and our women's arts never waver. Dear students, we have to observe here the never. It's a short form, N-E apostrophe E-R. You are all already familiar with these. It means that the women's art never shaken. They never hesitate. You have to observe that first picture. The Irish woman, they sacrificed their life in the 1916 movement in Ireland. Not only the Irish woman, in India, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Rani Abbaka, and several women sacrificed their life to our country. And I would freely die to save her. It means the poet, not only the poet, hi, you are all ready to die to save her. You have to observe the first picture. In that picture, the soldiers are died because of to save our country. If any danger occurred, we are ready to sacrifice our life to save our country. And think, my lot divine. Lot means it is one's fortune. If the fortune is like that, if the God's fortune is like that, we are ready to die to save our land. She is not a dull or cold land. So, my native land is not a dull, it's a bright, it's not a cold, it's a warm and bold land. Here, the opposite word of cold means warm, dull means bright, and oh, she is a true land and old land, this native land of mine. So, this native is a true land, my land is a true land and old land. Dear students, our country India and Ireland have their own history. So, I really proud to say that I belong to this country, this native land of mine. Move to the next one, next paragraph. Oh, she is a fresh and fair land. Yes, it's a fresh and it's a beautiful land. So, and oh, she is a true and rare land. It's an uncommon land. It's a true land. We have to observe in that picture. So, yes, she is a rare and fair land. She is an uncommon and she is a beautiful land. This native land of mine, I again say this, so I am proud to say, so I belong to this beautiful country, I belong to this rare land, fair land, true land and rich land. Dear students, here the words rare, fair and true, fresh, fair, these are the words which describe the land. So that these are called as describing words or adjectives. Dear students, now I would like to ask some questions. How is the native land? Very good student. She is the rich, rare, fresh and fair land. Dear students, the next one, match the following with their opposite words. What is the opposite word of dull, brave, warm, fearful, plenty? What is the opposite word of dull? Cold, bright, coward, scarce, fearless. The correct answer is bright. Very good students. What is the opposite word of brave? Coward. What is the opposite word of warm, dear students? Yes, very good. The cold, opposite word of the warm, cold. And what is the opposite word of fearful? Yes, very good, nice. The opposite word of the fearful is fearless. And last one, what is the opposite word of plenty? Yes, very good students, the scarce. Dear students, now read this paragraph and do the task that follow. Give a suitable title to this paragraph. Then identify the nouns in this paragraph. First you are going to read this paragraph now. Lakshmi Bai was the queen of Jhansi. Her struggle with the British is legendary. The battle began early in June 1857. Sir Agros captured the fortress of Jhansi in March 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai resisted, but Jhansi was captured by the British when traitors opened the gates of the fortress for them. On the night of 4th of April 1858, she escaped from the fortress and joined Tantia Tope at Kalpi. Rani Lakshmi Bai and Tantia Tope captured the fort of Gwalior from Scindia. She died fighting the British on 17th of June 1858 at Gwalior. Dear students, you are all able to give the suitable title to this paragraph? As very good students, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai and anyone other? As very good, the great Indian woman. And anyone? As very good students, Queen of Jhansi. Now, we are going to know about the second task. Oh, in this paragraph, dear students, Lakshmi Bai, Queen, Jhansi, struggle, British, battle, June, Sir Agros, fortress, again Jhansi, March, again Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jhansi, British, traitors, gates, fortress, night, April, fortress again, Tantia Topi, Kalpi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, again Tantia Topi, Fort, Gwalior, Scindia, British, June, Gwalior. Very good students, these are the naming words, hence these are called as nouns. Dear students, have you enjoyed this class? Yes? Now, let us write down the home assignments. Write down the questions. Answer the following questions. How are the men or women in this land? Write a short paragraph of 5 sentences on India, my motherland. Yes, dear students, thank you students, thank you one and all. Myself Guraj Goda KS. I am working as a English teacher in a GMPS Rukmapur, Surpur Block, District Yadgiri. Thank you students, thank you, bye bye.